What's going on YouTube? This is 2K My Team. We're about to open some packs. I don't know if you can see in the top right corner I have 31,810 MT. I'm about to open some Moments box. First pack. Two golds. Okay. Okay. Greg Monroe. Really? Send them to my auctions. Next pack. Nothing. Amir Johnson. Trash. Straight trash again. Really? Y'all just gonna troll me like that and give me Aaron Gordon? Wow. That's how it is. I'm gonna show y'all my starting lineup after I do this pack opening too. Another one. I got him 3 times. I bought him and I pulled him in the last pack opening. It's not on YouTube, but I fucking bullshit. Two golds again. Oh my god. Give me a moment. Four more packs or 3 more packs. Derek Williams, I already have him. Quick sell him. One gold. Another one. Are you kidding me? Nothing. Last pack. Trash. Another box waste. Now I'm gonna show you all my lineup. This is my starting lineup. Okay, at the 1, I got Russell. At the 2, I got Jimmy. At the 3, I got Kawhi. At the 4, I got Anthony Davis. And I got Moments Hassan Whiteside at the 5, the center. Coming off the bench, I got LaMarcus Aldridge, DeMarcus Cousins, Kyrie, 2001 Ray Allen, small forward Carmelo, 88 overall. That diamond one is nice that they just came out with. Fat Lever. He's a collection. He's from 1990, I think, or 2000. Dirk Nowitzki. Marc Gasol. Yep, that's my lineup. See y'all in the next one. Like and subscribe.